just woke up. Current time is about 20 past 6. Oh, I'm exhausted, bro. Pretty big day in front of us, so I gotta wake myself up. Okay, then I'm hyped up from the music, ready to rock and roll today. Guess what day it is? It's the Lord's Day. Zach, who is my best friend from back home, he's flying down here this morning. A matter of fact, he's in the air right now. That was me trying to be an airplane, but I sound like a car. I'm gonna be late getting Zach to the airport. He just landed, so let's go. Guys, Trevor just pulled up. Are you not gonna pull up, bro? Look how far this kid is.
We're back! Woo! And we're better than flipping ever. We are on our way to...
We're going to get breakfast, get some food. I need some food!
So I bought a $3 muffin on the plane because I thought it was free. So I was like, oh, I'll take this muffin. She goes, $3, and I'm like...
Did you still buy it?
Yeah, I still bought it.
Good morning, baby! Well, we're here at breakfast at Blueberry Grill. Once again, good morning, like I just said. I hope you guys are smiling, having a fantastic morning like I am. Just picked up Zach from the airport. We always repping that Radical gear. Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Radical is more than just a brand. It's also a lifestyle. You know, for the people that aren't afraid to go left when people go right, even though there's a car right behind me. People that do it different, baby.
Stand out,
you know?
be different, dare to be different.
Different, maybe.
Let's go get some food.
I need some food. Yo, what's good with your cup?
It's crooked, brother. So I drink it like this. It's actually kind of cool. I've actually never seen that. A crooked cup.
Got something on your nose. Oh. That's some whipped cream.
It's time for breakfast. It's breakfast time.
We just finished breakfast. It was delicious. I got a full belly, and we're gonna go to the store. Let's go. Whoa.
I will just follow you around like this. Nice shirt. Where'd you get it?
Oh, officialradicalretail.com. Always plug, kids. Link down in the description. My close-up. Mixed berry. Good.
Currently trapped in Walmart with this kid.
Oh, what's up, dude? Oh, you want to take a picture with me? Do it. Just a picture of one of my fans.
What are we doing?
I don't know, dude.
Where are we going?
Back to my room, I guess.
So, Trev, the real question is, where am I going to sleep?
I think that chair works. Where you said that chair behind you. That works.
I'll sleep right there. I like that one. Yeah, that's how I feel.
I gotta find this. I don't even know.
Yeah, so Trevor might vlog. I don't know what he's doing. He's throwing shit. Oh, there goes paper towels.
Alright guys, so right now we're about to go on some helicopters, take a little helicopter ride tour of Myrtle Beach, and this is actually my first time on a helicopter. The helicopter's over there.
They're over there, you can't really see them.
Yeah, I'm gonna go inside and
Check it out.
What's up?
Last night I lost all my patience. You were fucked up, I was wasted. Midsummer madness, I can't take it no more. No more. Fuck the rules. Fuck the rules. Make it make sense, make it make sense. I can't hide a heart in the black tent. You were off the bullshit and the tablets. Under 21, both.
Alright, we're heading into Chipotle, getting some food, get some grub. We are starving. Oh, an empty stomach, eat some food, boy.
Jesus Christ. Hungry? Ew. What the fuck? Stop. Is it spicy? Stop.
Yo, how's your food?
It's fire.
Just like this Radical hoodie, which you can get at officialradicalretail.com. Link down in the description.
Join the crazy club, let's have some fun. Now the crazy dance has just begun.
Yo, Zach, guess what? What? Mine's back!
No way.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
That's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, please make sure to drop a like, smash that subscribe button, and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss any future uploads of mine. Make sure to check down in the description for our brand Radical. You got the black hoodie here, as you can see. You got the white hoodie, one of my favorites, and you got the non-released Los Angeles Dream shirt. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.
Bitches change, I like I ain't all this. Get that money, nigga, that my main focus.